Dear friends, greetings from ISRO, India. Indian Space Research Organization has been engaged in space activities for the past 6 decades with a vision to harness space technology and its applications for the benefit of mankind. India and Israel had successful space cooperation for the last 2 decades. ISRO regularly participate in the Ilan Ramon conference, and I am very much thankful to Israel Space Agency for inviting me to deliver a spotlight talk on ISRO's scientific breakthrough in the recent time frame during the 17th Ilan Ramon International Space Conference. I will briefly touch upon some recent breakthrough developments in ISRO. ISRO is increasingly following the path of scientific and technology development to benefit the society and at the same time reducing the environmental risks. For the first time in India, ISRO made breakthrough demonstration of free space quantum communication. ISRO developed a number of key technologies indigenously to accomplish this major feat, including the use of indigenously developed NAVIC receiver for time synchronization between the transmitter and receiver and gimbal mechanism systems instead of bulky large aperture telescopes for optical alignment. The quantum communication demonstration included live video conferencing using quantum key encrypted signals. The quantum key distribution, the QKD as we call it, the technology underpins quantum communication technology that ensures unconditional data security by virtue of the principles of quantum mechanics, which is not possible with the conventional encryption systems. The conventional crypto systems used for data encryption rely on the complexity of mathematical algorithms, where the security offered by quantum communication is based on the laws of physics. This experiment is a major breakthrough towards ISRO's goal of developing satellite-based quantum communication SBQC, where ISRO is gearing up to demonstrate the technology between 2 Indian ground stations. On the material research front, ISRO has indigenously developed a ceramic polymer hybrid called CASPOL, which is a water-based, ready-to-coat and easy-to-use flame retardant with advanced end-use applications. It has excellent flame retardant, waterproofing and thermal control properties to substrates ranging from masonry surfaces, textiles, paper, thatched leaves, wood, etc. to advanced materials like polyurethane and phenolic-based thermal insulation foam pads. It is based on a ceramic composition dispersed in an aqueous polymeric emulsion containing flame retardant components. It has a limiting oxygen index LOI above 40. The material coated with CASPOL will be self-extinguished after removal of the flame. Foam materials can be impregnated with CASPOL by dip coating. It is also having good adhesion to the substrate surface both in the dry condition and after exposing the coated forms in a water shower. CASPOL contains no toxic materials. It is human and eco-friendly and also low cost. CASPOL has wide applications potential and is used in many societal applications in India, including Indian Railways. In the area of space science and space exploration, India's first multi-wavelength astronomy observatory satellite ASTROSAT was used to observe a galaxy at a distance of 9.4 billion light-year away. It was used to address if star formation is a major ionization source that led to the reionization of the universe. The UVIT instrument, with its sharpest wide field, far ultraviolet camera, imaged this galaxy with a very long observation. The detection of UV emission from the star formation in this galaxy yielded the first measure of Lyman continuum with a high galactic escape fraction in the middle of a redshift range where no detection exists. Further, this is the only data point near the peak of the cosmic star formation history of the universe. This is a breakthrough observation. Coming to the capability of Chandrayaan-2 satellite, which is currently orbiting the moon, the imaging infrared spectrometer on Chandrayaan-2 was specifically designed to resolve the ambiguity in the signature of the 3-micron hydration feature used to detect widespread presence of water ice initially reported by ISRO's Chandrayaan-1 mission. Using the extended detection wavelength of up to 5 microns, this IR spectrometer showed the unambiguous detection of hydroxyl and water on the moon. Global mapping of the lunar surface by this instrument will provide the revised hydration distribution on the moon's surface. I would also like to mention about the recently announced space sector reforms in India, and with the new mandate of enhancing the research and development, ISRO would be keen in more scientific and technology developments in the future. Thank you very much.